First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the phone transfer page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare phone transfer installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer apps from one Android phone to another, run the software on your computer. Connect your Android phone to the computer via USB. The software will quickly recognize your Android phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your phone to make sure the connection is established. After successfully connecting, link the other Android phone to the computer via a USB cable. When the devices are recognized by the software, you will see Connected under them. Tick off apps, then click the Start Copy button. All the apps will be transferred from one Android phone to another. It will take some time, please be patient. Click OK when the apps transfer is finished.